masabi ko, kung baguhan na kayo sa channel ko, please subscribe my channel, Digz channel. Ito lang masabi ko, dalawang saludo, dalawang upload, you know. Hi guys, good afternoon, this is Digz channel, come back to my channel. So, our topic is today is regarding the brake pads front brake system now. This brake pads front, this is a unit of 3-point Pajero. So, this 3-point, this is a 4-piston brake caliper, this one, air side, you see, this one. Here, this is a brake caliper piston, this one. Also here, opposite here, okay. So, why I change this one? Shout out. Why I change this one? Because this one is the brake pads. It's not it's already finished the lifespan. So this is a 40,000 kilometer service. So I changed this one. This is before. You see the thickness. You see. So need to change this one. So this I advise him to change this one, but the customer is approved. So I tell him that if you want to change this one, need to replacing also. Because if you will not replace this one, it cause to vibration, it cause damage to your brake pads, the new one. So make it if new, need to change brake pads are also replacing. So this one, the old one, okay. So now it's already finished the makarata. This talking of replacing this one. So now very smooth. Before very rough this one. Now very smooth. Finish already replacing. So I show you the brake pads. So this is the brake pad. So this is a genuine part. Okay, this is made in Japan. So this is a unboxing, whole unboxing. So it's already closed. This one, you see. So this is a new genuine parts. This is made in Japan. So this one. So you see. So very big. See? So I install now. So this side, you see this one. This side is inside this one. Okay. So here, so this is the plate. You see this one here. So this one. So this one, don't forget click this one. Okay. So this is the pin. So this one here. So they have a new one, huh? New also this one, the clip. So install this one. So this one, don't forget the clip, this one, the pin, the clip, this one. Okay. Make sure this one, install. So double check. So now it's already installed. So it's already finished. So double check the 17, this one. Okay. So finished already. The front. So now very smooth now. So if you want to learn more, please subscribe my channel, Digz channel. This is part of technical info of Digz channel. This is from Mitsubishi. Thank you very much. Shout out all my friends and my all member of Digz channel. If you want to learn more, please subscribe my channel, Digz channel. This is Digz. Salute. Approve. This is Digz. This private channel. You know.